Congratulations, you did it. So we have just completed the most, let's say, hand-on industrial grade MLOps course out there. So let's take a quick recap and recap everything we have achieved step by step. So we have started with a vision. So this project is real with a computer vision and also DevOps and Azure Cloud. And we built a full end-to-end anomaly detection pipeline from raw data to real-time prediction. And you know exactly how the industrial AI systems comes to life. And every challenge, every concept broken down in a crystal, let's say, clear video lessons. You didn't just read about MLOps, you saw it in action and follow along with real world deployment from zero to hero. And you can see that the project structure, so your master project organization, no more messy code bases. Now you know how to structure every folder, script, and assets for clarity, teamwork, and easy scaling. You can walk into any company and feel at home with, let's see, pro-leaf repos. And the technology used, look at your toolbox now: PyTorch, ONNX, FastAPI, Docker, Kubernetes, Azure ML, DevOps, MLflow, and more. And we have, let's see, gone from the tech stack confusion to hands-on confidence with every major MLOps tool used in the industry today. I mean, we are focusing now on Azure DevOps, Azure, let's say, cloud. And remember that first is set up, cloning, installing, running your first model, and the second and its second nature now. So you can bootstrap powerful ML project in minutes, not days. So if you have this, I mean, I will of course give you. I think I have already give you an access to this. If not, I will push it in the coming days. Still not updated. So yeah, and this one here you can start just to run. If you follow the videos, you can start without any issues, because before the recording any video, I had make sure I have to make sure that it's running in my side, so it has to be running in your side. So no bugs, no issues. And of in case you have, let's say, working with somehow different environment and you found some bugs, or you let's say face any issues, just drop a comment below. I will try to solve it, and if not, I mean, I will try to solve it. And if it's not clear, I will try to make a video also for you, just to follow up. And for the testing, and so you can see it's easy. You have to clone the repo, this repo here, because I have added the the GitHub, and this one is strong. Yeah, I have to make it like this, but yeah, it's somehow I need to update this repo. But and you have to install the Beauty. I have used the Beauty in every step. You have to just go to the directory. You When you clone this, go to the directory and run this Beauty install, and it will run everything. And you can run any code, for Python code. I mean, for instance, you can run this. Just add the data to your add the back to your data set. This is the options that you would like to might be need to run. And also, by the way, this repo here, it's used is use this anomaly vision, and they have made it in two different repos just to make it, let's see, more organized. And I was thinking maybe in a future, or maybe one of you that is not need, let's say, to use anomaly detection, and they might be, let's say, use YOLO classification, or even any different field, and they just need to get the sub module in this project, and it should, and of course you need some modification in this code base, but it should work in his side. And you can see you can run the FastAPI, you can run the Streamlit, which is let's see, need to send images to the FastAPI and also receive the output from the FastAPI. This you can see it in the videos. For the test, I have this is core map. This is core map. It's let's say needed for the deployment for the endpoints and online endpoints deployment. But before let's say pushing to the cloud, you need to make sure that this score is running and give the expected result. So I have added also a test, so you can try to test this pattern, or it's called pattern. I mean the original algorithm on it's called pattern. And also you can build the Docker image, which is, I will see, it's really easier for you. You can just need to run the Docker image. I have a false, it's wrong, indeed it's NB, but I will update this. Let's see, we can update it now, why not? Mm, which is this file here. In Docker, is a Docker, this one here, dockerfile.nb. So this I will just split, or let's see, separate Torch from everything. I just need the related, let's see, ONNX and the other libraries. And for the Docker, you can deploy the endpoint into the Kubernetes service, or also you can, if you have an image and published as a private in a container registry, you can also deploy it in AKS. So this already explained in a more details. And for the test and validation, I have for the integration test, I have added the short, let's see, short testing, just to make sure that the code base is running without any issues. And for the load testing, I have been using low cost. And for the data validation, it's written a data validation code, that just to make sure that the structure of the data is what the, let's see, the train or the prediction is expected. For the monitoring and logging, I have added the application logs. It will log many, let's see, data that you would like to have. And for instance, let's just, for instance, this I have deleted some data, and it will show you this. For instance, this is for H-run image analysis matrix, and you can see, for instance, what is the dimension image that I got. Is it if, for instance, if it's different, so you might be see maybe the protocol is not working perfectly or something like this. And this is the latency of each pre-processing, inference, and also visualization. And this is show you the result of the anomaly score, and also the threshold. And also it's an end-to-end pipeline and CI/CD pipeline, and you don't need to make sure that, I mean, nothing here is, let's say, you have to do manually, and everything here, it will be automatically. If you just run the pipeline, it has to be running without any let's say, interference. So you don't need to add something or copy something manually. Everything will be automatically, I mean, if you follow the steps, of course. And the models that we have ONNX, we have PyTorch, if you would like to use a PyTorch. And also your models are not, let's say, lost in the, it will be tracked phases and always ready for using, or let's say consuming. And how you know now exactly every, let's say, artifact's life, making for instance upgrade efforts. Not only can you build, and you also can contribute like a professional, and just make a fork from the repo and branching, create your branch, add your changes, then pull requests, issues tracking, and you are ready, let's say, to let's say participate or let's say contribute in this open source. So it's let's say more than welcome. And if you love what you learn, please don't forget to start the repos that I have that I'm using, and also share your experience and keep the let's say the MLOps, let's say, going. So your support help us build even better course for the entire AI community. And I mean, you can feel free to use this without any restrictions. And I will say thanks for watching and see you next time.